guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Cher from Clueless inspired video. I'm so excited for this one just because Clueless is literally my all-time favorite movie in the whole entire world. So if you want to see how to get her makeup, hair, and kind of like a modern twist on her outfit, then just keep watching this video. Alright, time to make our makeup flawless for Christian. So first I'm starting out with my Mercier Hydrating Primer, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face, kind of patting it in. Next, I'm going into my IT Cosmetics CC Cream, which is perfect in light coverage, which is exactly what Cher likes. I'm just going to dot it all over my face, making sure to cover every single area. And then I'm going to go in with my oh my god, I can't talk. Then I'm going in with my beauty blender and I'm just going to pounce it out. Wow, this is a great match for me. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand, and I'm just going to put it in all the places I would normally highlight. So underneath my eyes, my chin, the center of my forehead, and around my nose because I get super red there. And I'm just going to go back in with my I can't say it today, my beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend everything out. Next time I'm just going to call it sponge, okay? Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Better Skin Powder in Light, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face, kind of patting it in to get the most coverage. I am obsessed with this powder, like it's one of my all-time favorite drugstore powders. Now I'm going to go in with my Benefit Bronzer in HOOLA Light, just because Cher likes to keep it super natural, and I'm just going to put it in all the hollow places of my face and contour my forehead and around my chin. Now I'm going to go in with my Benefit blush in Dandelion, which is a very light natural pink, and I'm just going to put it on my cheeks, and I always put it a little on my nose too. I don't know if I show you guys, but that's my favorite place to put it. It just makes you look so sun-kissed. Now I'm going into my brows, and I'm actually not going to fill them in at all because if you see Cher's brows, she kind of just likes to keep them natural. I don't see her putting anything in her brows at all, so I'm just brushing them out with a spoolie brush. Now I'm going to take my favorite Kiss eyelash curler, and I'm just going to curl my lashes up a little. Next, I'm going in with one of my favorite mascaras, which is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. It is so amazing, so I'm just going to apply that just to my upper lashes. Lip time! I'm just posing a little. Alright, so now I'm going to take my MAC lip liner in Spice, and I'm just kind of roughly putting it on. As you can see, there's no care in the world when I'm putting this on. And because after that, I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to just blend it out. See, now I'm just going to take my finger and blend out my lips. Now I'm taking my Express Nude Lip Gloss, and I'm just going to apply it over my lips to give them a sheen. Super natural. Alright, now time for her hair. So I'm just going to take my straightener, and I'm going to run it down my hair a couple times, and then I'm going to take the straightener and flip it upwards and drag it down. And I know I look so angry. I promise I'm not angry in this. But I'm just going to keep going and doing the same thing for my whole entire head. Just taking hair, going down with the straightener on it, and then flipping the straightener upwards at the end. And it's going to give your hair just like a cool look, kind of like you just got it blow dried from the salon.
Looking out a dirty old window, outside the cars in the city go.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys love Cher as much as I do, then please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see my face again or see more videos like this one, then don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you, bye.
I lose myself up in those eyes. I just had to let you know you're mine.